Pangunawang lubos ang siyang nais mo. Ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. Buksan!
Dahon ko naman, no?
Sunday! Ang bahay! Ay, buhay pa.
Lagyan mo ng puno at saya.
Next song. Puno mo yung palad. Makalo mo kamay. Sa hirap ng buhay.
Ang dami mo problema na kuha pang hindi. Noy, pika nga. Sasting.
Hoy! Oh, ayan o.
Roon, huwag kang matatakot.
Sa barelo,
Ay, mama, baka mo.
Footnotes. Okay. As we can see everyone. A big rhino.
Ayan, walang lawa yan.
Ano man?
Dito mo lang.
Ano ayaw, may pulbo sa loob yan eh.
Ba't yung malalasat mo?
Sir, papanood namin sa inyo to, sir. Pakinggan nyo, sir. Binapahitit ako ni Paul. Got to lose. Teka lang, nag-enjoy ako eh.
Basta, it's either, no, wala lang. Pwedeng verb. She gives a letter. Cookies, a letter, again. Basta it is
Mom, she gives a life.
Project.
Mom, she gives a life.
Cookies.
Topic.
Wala. Tignan mo eh. Cookies.
Party.
The verb. The past participle of the verb. Okay, kid. Past participle of the verb.
Mom has broken.
Next, number 2. Sagutan mo na lahat.
Oh, what's up? Yeah.
Number 1, what is the adverb there? Slowly. Okay, what's that? It is a honor. Next, number 2. Okay, writing a while or for a while, which is time. Pwede din na here. Next. Next, number 3. Open. Number 4. Today. refute, to see. Okay, kapag infinitive phrase yung iniingit, kapag meron sa exam,
2 plus
to
verb.
buy foods. Ganon, to refute.
2 plus
to
verb
see.
plus
Bugs.
phrase. Kaya infinitive sentence, 2 plus verb plus phrase plus
Bumabads kasi.
Okay, number 1, what is the subject? The simple.
I.
The simple predicate.
Foods.
Need.
Need.
Simple lang ha.